You want to train people how to respect you? Cut them off. Why are you letting people treat you like you're nothing? There are people that I've had to train by my absence, my silence, and me stepping back. You're not going to handle me how you think you want to handle me. You're going to handle me the way I deserve to be handled, treated, respected, spoken to, addressed. I'm not regular. You're not going to treat me like some regular whatever off the street. I'm going to teach you by me not being available. That way you can go out here in these streets and see if you can find anything like me anywhere else. Who has access to you in this season matter. Don't pick up the phone for everybody, baby. Stop responding to every text. The moment they text, you immediately stop what you doing, almost crash the car, trying to respond. Let that thing sit in the air, because no one should feel like they can immediately have your time.
Sometimes you gotta take the bitter with the sweet. When you ever get that sweet, the best that makes you ever had.
Tricked us with words, and God will save us with words. There are words designed to disarm you, words crafted to confuse you, control you, and keep you from ever becoming yourself. They don't just insult you, they program you. And if you don't break the code, you'll keep living a lie that was written for you. I wrote a word. I wrote word weapons to expose the language systems that have held us back. This is not a poem. This is not a rant. It's a tool. And I'm giving it away for free. Download it, read it, share it, before another word cuts you down again.
If this hit you, don't scroll past truth. Subscribe, comment below, and share this with someone asleep.
You know what they don't see coming. The man they've underestimated, the one they've overlooked, written off, laughed at. That's where you've got your edge. Because while they've been looking down on you, you've been building something they can't even imagine. You don't fight like you've already won. You fight like you've got everything to prove. And that is what makes you dangerous.
Come on.
I see no changes. Wake up in the morning and I ask myself, it's like
they're running from systems that told them they were nothing long before they ever picked up a weapon. It's not that they're lazy. No. It's that many of them don't see a future in the systems that rejected them. No father in the home, underfunded schools, no guidance, limited opportunities, society that judges them before it sees them for who they really are. I want to be a part of the side that's building the bridges. Teach a skill to them, offer mentorship, help fill out applications, speak life. Because if we really want to keep our youth from the streets, we can't just toss paperwork in their hand that is filled with pain. We've got to heal what made them pick up that gun in the first place.